Hi, I'm Brandy. This is Hound Dog Hollow, and today I'm going to be opening my October Witches Moon box. Comes in this like privacy mailer. It's one of my favorite boxes. Oh, I don't need the knife. All right, let's check it out. All right, so let's see. A Walk Between Worlds. I look at this last. Save the Twine. I save the twine. Why does it look... There we go. I've got this little card. Oh, Bill. Philosopher's Stone. Powerful manifestation of wishes and goals by harnessing universal energy. Interesting. The Walk Between Worlds. Looks like a poem or a spell. Blood Moon. Beautiful. I've got some of these moon ones. Why do I feel like this is not right? Okay. Very beautiful. Oh my god. Black Mirror Scrying. So I knew that was coming. Bill. Okay. Ooh, it looks like Yerba Santa, but they haven't read. Definitely looks like yerba. It smells kind of earthy. Oh, I got a little bump in my ear. Damiana. The Artemis herb. Sweetwood, cinnamon. We got a little tiny candle this time. Oops. Ah, I'm sorry, beautiful. There's a black candle. Incense. Samhain, Sacred Salt. God. Oh God, okay. I don't got any grip. I can't get it over. Ah! Ow, God. I'm so pathetic. It smells good. See here. Scrying. Look, it's full. It's got a smell. What are you? I know I can feel from these. Oh, wow. Oh my god. Oh my god. This month is just pushing me like right up out of my comfort zone. Hello, Bill. You came back. You came back. It's an eye. And a triangle. I've been getting boxes for, you know, a year and a half or so. And, every time that I have given away something that I was meant to have, I would get it back in another box. And I got a scrying mirror, or not a scrying mirror. I got a pendulum mat with an eye on it last year, and I've been not touching it because I didn't want to work with it. And I recently put it up in a giveaway. By the way, giveaway winners, it's up on the description. Check that out. It's on the description of the 700 subscriber giveaway. It says who won what. Contact me. I've only been contacted by 2 people. So I can't ship until tomorrow. But anyways, I gave that mirror away, and here it is. Here's this, something very similar. It's Bill. He's back. He's right there. So it feels like I'm being called to investigate this. I'm sure it'll be good for me, but it's just very, very interesting to me how certain things have been finding me. I opened another box. I don't like to say other boxes' names when I'm doing, and it made me, it made my heart jump out of my chest because it had a scrying mirror, and I think that that's what this is for. I'm not really, it's beautiful. It's really beautiful. I'm just like, I guess it's time to revisit this chapter in my life. The transition into the month of October in Samhain signifies the most powerful time of revelation and spiritual guidance. As the veil thins, we begin to truly connect with other worlds on a sensory plane of who wants me? Who's trying to contact me? I don't know. We'll see. On a sensory plane of communication, allowing us to understand messages, visions, and signs in stark clarity. Thank you, universe. I hear you. As we focus on the art of divination, peering past our reflection and into the spirit realm, we take the opportunity to speak clearly with our guides and ancestors who are calling me. They're calling me. This much anticipated collection holds items that we have created for this specific time of year, exclusively for our subscribers. We are truly honored and thrilled to assist you during your rituals this season as we take seriously the walk between the worlds. Handcrafted black mirror frame with obsidian scrying disc. This handcrafted black mirror frame was created with the intention of enhancing the sacred energy that surrounds your scrying rituals. This frame has been embellished with the planetary symbol of Mercury to bring the flow of communication and intellect to your session. I've got a headache. Also included in this frame is the planetary symbol for Jupiter to guide you towards obtaining further knowledge on your journey between the realms. An opening has been created within the middle of the eye to place your obsidian disc. Oh, look at you. Look at you. The representation of the eye resonates deeply within our spiritual practices as it represents perception through psychic sight. As stated within the Black Mirror Scrying Book of Shadows artwork, scrying is the art of gazing into any reflective surface and divining meaning from perceived resulting images or phenomena. Wow. Wow. The Book of Shadows for the Black Mirror Scrying. The hand-rolled walk between the worlds spell candle. This is all coming at me. It was a gentle call at first, but now it's a full-blown scream in my ear that I need to do this. Scrying magical anointing oil. Samhain celebratory sacred salt. Copal incense sticks. Oh, comfort me, Copal. You smell like heaven. Yerba Santa sage bundle. Sweetwood or cinnamon. Damiana herb. I don't think I have any Damiana, so I'm really excited about that. The Artemis herb is mugwort. God bless you, mugwort. You filling my cupboard. Blood moon. Personalized oracle reading. We have meditated and selected a card from the Making Magic deck by Priestess Moon. to place inside your box. This card and the symbology it holds was meant for you. Do you guys see this fucking... Look at this. Like, I can't even. It's so... It's so much. I mean, it's very good. I mean, these boxes are hitting me hard, calling me to a purpose. It's just like, wow. Beautifully done. Everybody seems to be getting the message to prod me from the universe. This is intensely magical. Very lovely box. Well, I think my Yerba Santa's got like this stuff on it. I think it's just kind of like, I don't know. I love the Witch's Moon. I love all their stuff. I feel a little bit I guess I would say like overwhelmed by the intensity of the universe's desire and the synchronicity to keep putting scrying and directly into my path, putting it directly into my path, unavoidably directly in my face, in my path. And it must be done. It must be done. It won't stop telling me until I do it. So I love how the Witch's Moon, and frankly every box this month so far. Hey, don't talk to me right now. Phone has been calling me to something very specific. I'm sorry, I'm rambling at this point. I'm just gonna beautiful, beautiful, beautiful items. I'm super intrigued, but also a little bit having a headache. I'm definitely going to report back to you guys about this experience. Because it's been funny. I've been having like, you know, intense feelings opening these boxes this month. And I think it's because of the contents, but also because of the thinning of the veil. I don't know. I'm rambling. I'm so sorry. This is a beautiful box. I love the Witch's Moon. I'm going to leave their information below. Clearly, they obviously touch me on a deep spiritual level. And you should check them out. So, as always, please like, comment, and subscribe if you haven't already. Please check out my the winners of this is 700 subscriber giveaway. They are posted. It is literally in the description of the 700 subscriber giveaway. It'll say winners. Box 1, I believe, is I can't remember. I know Gloriously Simone was one, Angela Sacramento was one, Autumn Amber is one, and Megan. No, don't quote me. Please don't quote me. Just go and look. Just go and check it out. Thank you guys so much for watching. Love you so much. Bye.